Nuer English basic phrases. I am dope. I am dope. And dope. And dope. I am dope. I am dope. And dope. He is Niall. He is Niall. Agent Niall. He is Niall. Agent Niall. They are Gatwich and Galwak. They are Gatwich and Galwak. Aken Gatwich Kene Galwak. Aken Gatwich Kene Galwak. I am from Africa. I am from Africa. And ba ka Africa. And ba ka Africa. I am African. I am African. And ran African. And ran African. My husband is from South Sudan. My husband is from South Sudan. Shoda ran South Sudan. Shoda ran South Sudan. He is South Sudanese. He is South Sudanese. Jen ran South Sudanese. Jen ran South Sudanese. He is South Sudanese. Jen ran South Sudanese. She is not Ethiopian. She is not Ethiopian. Jen she Ethiopian. Jen she Ethiopian. She is Nuer. She is Nuer. Jen a Nuer. Jen a Nuer. Are they from South Sudan? Are they from South Sudan? Kaken beka ka South Sudan. Kaken beka ka South Sudan. I am 27 years old. I am 27 years old. And ta karunti jandangro with a barrow. And ta karunti jandangro with a barrow. How old are you? How old are you? Jin ti karundangde. Ti karundangde. Ti karundangde. She is 15. She is 15. Jen te karun weldh. Jen te karun weldh. My mother is 65 years old. My mother is 65 years old. Mar te karun tijan bakel widh. Mar te karun tijan bakel widh. I am sad. I am sad. And Jack Lloyd. And Jack Lloyd. She is excited. She is excited. She Lloyd the Ted. She Lloyd the Ted. Jen she Lloyd the Ted. You are hungry. You are hungry. You are hungry. Jin chigag. Jin chigag. Jin chigag. We are happy. We are happy. Con tesloida. Con tesloida. We are happy. Con tesloida. I am not a student. I am not a student. She han gadul gora. She an gadul gora. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Ahan ngich. Ahan ngich. Ahan ngich. Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Kejin. Kejin doctor. Kejin doctor. Kejin doctor. He is a journalist. He is a journalist. Jen a top Larry. Jen a top Larry. Jen a top Larry. They are artists. They are artists. Ken kajisureni. Ken kajisureni. Ken kajisureni. Please do not forget to subscribe to Nuer Language School channel for more updates like this.